All right, great. So now the next thing that we need is we need to create some sticky reviews. Now that's really easy. We're just going to go to the sticky reviews tab. All right. And on the sticky reviews tab, you'll see some different little tabs here. You'll see sticky reviews. These are reviews that you have created or have came in through a review link automation, and they actually match your minimum star rating. More on that in one of the next videos about the review links. You'll see your new reviews, and you'll also see your negative reviews. So for you to create sticky reviews manually, you'll just go to this sticky reviews tab. You'll make sure you click on sticky reviews here, and you'll click this little plus green button right here. All right. Whenever you click that little plus green button, you're going to have a sticky review name. Now that sticky review name is going to be whatever you want to show up here in this bold lettering. So you can put a title there. You can put somebody's name there. You can really put whatever you want there. All right. So I'm going to put somebody's name. I'm going to put my own name, John Vaughn. All right. Here are tags. All right. What you can do with tags is tags are all internal. They're not shown anywhere on a website. It just allows you to easily understand what this sticky review was for, what campaign that you created it for. So I'm going to put my Funnel Hacking Live promo here because that's what these sticky reviews are going to be for. Now, here is some description, some review description. This will be this description down here, the text of your sticky review. All right. So I'm going to go in and put something in. This is the best offer I have ever saw in my life. All right. Then you're going to get your star rating. Pick your star rating. I'm going to give a 5-star rating here. All right. Now you can pick the date and time. When was this sticky review given to you? So I'm just going to pick one of these dates right here and set that date and time. All right. Now for your image, you can give an image file. I'm going to find a picture of me and my wife. There we go. All right. And then you're just going to save this. Now you can see there's your sticky review right there. It was just added in. All right. If you want to add more and more sticky reviews, just click the button again, fill everything out, and you can add more and more sticky reviews. Once you get your sticky reviews added, once you add your sticky reviews in, don't forget to go to your campaign and add those sticky reviews to your campaign. Now, that's a very, very simple process. All you're going to do is you're going to go back to your campaign. You're going to click on this button that says sticky reviews, and then you're just going to find the different sticky reviews that you want to add to this campaign. You can add as many as you want. I'm just going to add this one right here for now. And I think I'm just going to add this one here as well. All right, so I'm going to add those 2 sticky reviews, and then don't forget to save your campaign. Once you save your campaign, those sticky reviews are added. Great. So now you have your campaign set up, you've added a couple sticky reviews, and you've added those sticky reviews to your campaign. So now let's go in and see if we can get those sticky reviews to actually show up on our web page now. So let's just make sure that we save this. Let's go back and let's open this up and see if we have any sticky reviews here. If you remember, I put a 5-second delay here. So I did put a 5-second delay, and look at there. There's my sticky review. See, my sticky reviews are now showing up right there. There's my sticky reviews. If you think that they're going too fast, then what you need to do is just come back to your campaign, edit your campaign, and just change this interval. Let's change it to 5 seconds, and then let's just save it. All right. Now let's go back to our page, and let's just refresh our page. And if you remember, it's going to take 5 seconds before the sticky reviews actually start to show. And that's because of my settings that I set. I wanted to wait 5 seconds before they actually start showing up. Now there's my sticky review, and you can see that it's staying there much longer. It's staying there for an entire 5 seconds. So now my sticky reviews are there. There's my branding. I've got my sticky reviews, and I've got my branding. So now you know exactly how to get your campaign set up, how to add sticky reviews, and how to get that campaign actually added to your website. All right. So in the next video, we're going to go over the exit pop-ups and show you how to actually create those exit pop-ups and also add those to your campaigns.